Assalamualaikum. Terima kasih sebab sudi ikut sesi demo on how to use Esteem software petang ni. Okay, I hope you can see this typical layout of a school building. Floor number, we have a total number of story is equal to 4, and the story to story height is 3,350 meter. Okay, that's floor to floor height. And the upper level is flat roof. Okay, tingkat atas untuk bangunan ni adalah flat roof. Okay, contohnya kamu dapat lihat kat sini. Okay, this is the model. Okay, tingkat atas adalah flat roof. Kalau tingkat atas ni adalah pitch roof, okay, kita bahagian atas akan jadi fort. Bagi maksudnya tak ada slab kat situ. Okay, so kamu boleh nampak ni, this is the typical layout. So dia ada column, dia ada beam, and then this is the dimensions. So saya akan cuba demo gunakan yang model ni. Okay, TN 75 means drop is 75, and this is another drop will be 50 here. Okay, let's go. First of all, the esteem here is boleh nampak skrin saya tak? Boleh ya? Can you see my
Boleh.
Okay, good. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is you do the setup. Okay, your mistake by your friend when I try to assist them is no setup, no proper setup. Okay, once you open your Esteem, please do the setup. Okay, let's say, okay, I know maybe you're excited to do your project, but okay, go to your new project, and then this is your location of your project. Okay, let's see. Okay, we will save it in documents. Okay, C, partition C, documents, and then select document. Okay, I already prepare Esteem. Where is my Esteem? Okay, Esteem, and this is the school. Okay, Esteem. In Esteem, I want to do a 4-story school. Let's say this one. Okay, and the program will create another folder in Esteem. Okay, and then number of ground floor will be 1, 4, 5. Okay, this is ground 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is one. This should be the roof. Okay, roof level, and then this is the ground. Okay, and then you create. Okay, this is, let's say this is the first, then this is one is second, this is your third, and then okay, ground 1, 2, 3, 4, and then roof. Okay, and then click OK. So now it's okay. So before you start, you shall click here, project parameter. This is very important. Okay, you must set up this first. Project parameter, and then okay, this window will appear. So you must select your code of practice first. Okay, so don't be too excited to start your modeling without proper setup. So you must, contoh kalau you nak solat, you kena ambil air semayang dulu. Okay, jangan excited terus angkat takbir terus solat sampai settle tapi air semayang tak ada wuduk. So tak boleh lah macam tu. Okay, so you go. Okay, let's say this is BS 8110, and now we go to EC2, which is the Eurocode 2, and then you can write down your maybe a company name. Okay, let's say EMP and so on, or whatever. Okay, and then this one, this is the setup for drawing, setup for your input, your beam or your knee. Then this is the setup for your material. Okay, the high yield material for Eurocode, you shall use 500. Okay, for the high yield strength of your steel bar. And then this one for your design, another setup shall be your design. Okay, this is your load combinations. Okay, if you have another load combination to consider, you just click add, and then you put your corresponding coefficient to the corresponding type of load. Okay, this is your floor. Let's say for your beam, this is the concrete. Okay, what is the grade of concrete you use? If you use 30, so let's make it 30. If you use 35, so we change to 25 for beam, slab, column, and wall. Usually we use similar grade of concrete. So it's 30. So for Eurocode, the main reinforcement should be 500 and the shear reinforcement also 500. So this is the, and this one is the size of main reinforcement for the beam. Okay, start with 12 mm diameter, and then this one is 30. Okay, 30 maximum. Maximum is 32. Okay, and this is for slab. Either you want to use the BRC or you want to use the loose bar. Okay, this is the main and maximum. And if you want to use the loose bar, usually only up to 12 for slab. Okay, because the project is on this school building. This is the concrete cover. You can put, okay, this is another parameter. This is the concrete cover. Okay, maybe for ground, you have to do another setup. Okay, let's say this is slab. This is for column. Okay, for column, we start by minimum diameter. We use 12. Okay, and then this is your concrete grade for your slab, for your column, and this one is for your shear reinforcement. Minimum is 6 and maximum maybe up to 12. And then it's okay. This is for wall. Okay, if you have no wall, so leave it blank. Okay, then you click OK and then yes. Okay. Okay, now you can start your modeling. Okay, so for ground, you double click for your ground. So this is a blank, and this is the icon to choose. Okay, this is to set up your grid line input. This one is to do your beam. This is for slab input. This one is column. Okay, then you can choose various shape of column. This one, okay, let's say slab. You can choose. Let's say you have slab with opening at the middle. Okay, you can choose this one. Okay, and this is for the leaf core, and this one is for the input of your brick wall. Okay, so let us start. So this one, the dimension is 4,500 and then times 3,000. Then let's make it 4,000. Okay, make it for 4,000 maybe. Okay, to make it easier. So we start with 4,000. So you just click here, click your grid input, and then bring your cursor near the A and then bring it. Okay, here let's say 4,500. If you get this one is okay, 4,008, and then you zoom out, and then you double click here, and then you retype 4,500, and then it will suit your dimensions, and then 3,000 here. Okay, and we have how many of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just limit it to 6. I want to make it simple. I want to simplify this drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 5, 7, 8. Okay, actually 8. Okay, so make it 3, 8. Okay, let's make it 4 lah. Actually, if you want to follow the dimension, is 3810. So it's 3810. Okay, you just type it. Okay, but I want to make it simple. Okay, just 4,000. Okay, it will be easier for you to type. 2, 3. There must be a function to do it faster. If you have repeated similar dimension, okay, dia mesti ada satu shortcut yang you mesti boleh buat. Tapi saya belum explore benda ni. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's imagine it. 6. Okay, and then 7 and 8. Okay, cukup tak 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then typical, okay. Okay, 3,004. 4.5 meter. Okay, and this is okay 3,000 for the staircase, and then another one is 4.5. Okay. So and then we have 900, and then 9150 and 2005. Okay. So you bring it here, and then 2005 shall be here, and then 9150. Okay, and then was we have 900. Okay, 900. Okay, so this is your grid line, and then don't forget to please always save your work. Okay. Okay, let me stop recording for this. Sorry. Not yet. Okay. Okay, and then what you want to do is you must assign the column. Okay, let's say this. So you before the beam, it must come this with column. So this is your column input. This is okay. Let's say you can adjust your. This is your column shape, L shape, or maybe a circular column, or this one is a rectangular column. So this is the width and the height of the column. Okay, you can adjust. Let's say 350 and 350, and then okay, you just put it here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just put it. I'm not sure, because if we use Tekla, we will have a function to copy the elements. Okay, we copy one column, and then we can put it to every grid line we want. Okay, so this is our column, is complete. I forgot about this grid line, sorry. Okay, this one should be 55300. Okay, this grid line. Okay, so we make it here. Go back to your grid line, grid input, and then bring it here. 5, 3. Okay, this one. Okay. So this is the grid line, but without column there. Okay. Then save, and then you can use this function to see your 3D view. Okay, so this is your 3D view of your column under your ground level. Okay, this is your ground beam. This is your ground level. Okay, this is your column. Okay, and then your input is your beam. Let's say your beam here. This is your beam, and you can adjust the size of the beam. Is Okay, this is ground beam, so make it yes, make it true for ground beam. Okay, it is a ground beam, so you make it true. And then this one, the width shall be, let's say, 250 times 650 from here to here. Okay, for ground. Also, okay, you see the size. And then from here to here. Saya tak buat sambung satu kedua sebab satu kedua ni dia ada drop. Okay, you see here, the drop is 75. Okay, so the beam also must have drop. Okay, so this one also your beam. Okay, any question tak? Ada soalan tak setakat ni?
So far faham Doktor.
Faham okay. Good. Okay. So this is your beam, and then for this one, okay, for grade line 1 to 2, you have a drop. The drop is 75. So you, let's say, you want to do the size here is 6. Sorry, saya akan calculate tak. 650 tolak 75 sama dengan 575. So you make it 500 lah. Make it 500, 575 575 sekejap. Dan 50 tolak 75 575. Okay. So this one should be 575. The drop here, this one, the general is mark position, mark alignment. The drop is 75. Okay, you put here. It will auto connect your beam. Okay, this one to this one. You see, the color is different, and you have a sign. This one, okay, the white color of eye, a big eye here. This means that these two beams is already connected. Okay, so this one also. Okay. Oh, saya tertinggal ni. Saya tinggal column kat sini. Okay, sorry. So column 350, 350 here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, undo. Okay, and then so if you click, okay, then you click the beam input, and then you don't, okay, you just click this beam. Let's say this, you just click this beam, so the property will be shown here, and the system will copy your property, and then you can use it here. So you don't have to type the size you want again. Okay, and for this beam, you just type this beam. Okay, the property is there, including the drop, and then it's here. Okay. Also for here, you just click one here up to here. Okay, you got the beam. Then your property is here, here, and then here to here. Okay, it's the ground beam, and then you have beam here for, okay, let's say the size is smaller, which is 200 times 400, and it's from here up to here. Okay, also from here up to here. Okay, any question up to now? Okay, for this one, So you go to your 3D view. Okay, this is your beam and your column. And you use this one, okay, to make it clearer. This one is the isometric view, front view, okay, like this one, okay. Okay, this view, okay. Okay, this is top view or bottom view. Okay. Left view, okay, this one, okay. Okay. Now, can you see the drop? Okay. Here is the drop of 75. Okay, so you must calculate the size of your beam properly. Okay, this one, okay. Right. Okay. Next step is to do this is grid line, this is a column, this is beam, and okay, the slab input. Okay, you click your slab input. Okay, if your slab don't have drop, make it 0. Your thickness, let's say, is 150. Finishes, okay, you calculate yourself. Okay, and then the live load, you determine your live load, okay, based on the function of each slab. Okay, let's say for this one is 2, maybe, or 2. Okay, this one is if you want the slab is by BRC reinforcement or by the loose bar. Okay. This is ground, okay. False, we make it true. Okay, and then here is 20. Okay, you can see here this is your slab. Dead load means the L means your dead load. Sorry, dead load is 10, is too big. Sorry. Dead load is okay. Let's see, finishes is 1. Okay, then enter. Okay, 1. Then another one is here. Okay, this is the difference between Tekla and Esteem. In Esteem, we can assign the dead load and the lift load at the same time, but in Tekla, we have to assign it differently. Okay, and here we have, let's take a look here, we have drop. Okay, let's say here. Sorry, this is also drop. Okay, drop 75. Oh no, this one is one level. Drop 50. Okay, here is drop 50. Here and here is drop 50. So drop is 50. Size is maintained. So here you can see. Okay, DP means drop 50. So the color is differ, just like the beam. Okay, and then here we back to this characteristic. But here is corridor. The live load should be 4. Okay, let's say here. Okay, 4 here. And then this one is classroom. Okay, classroom area. So you check in Eurocode what is the value. Okay, it's 3 if I'm not mistaken. It's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, so now you can see here the loading here is the live load is 2.0, here is 4.0, and here is 3.0. Okay, it must be different, and this one is for the staircase. Okay, for the staircase, this live load is on the bottom of the staircase, so we don't have to do. Okay, and then this one is drop shall be how many? 70, 75. Okay, the drop is 75. This is corridor, so the load is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Now you can save your work and then this one. Okay, can you see your slab, your beam, and your column? Okay, you have drop here. That's why you can see clear red here, because this one, this slab and this slab is not at the same level. Okay, and then here also you have I like this column. Okay, just use your mouse and scroll up and down, and then you can move this one. Okay, can you see here? This one, the slab here is maybe for toilet, so it's drop, and here, okay, similar level of the beam, and this one is corridor, drop with lower value. Okay, any question for this one?
No, Doctor.
Okay, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, I think it's better for us to stop the stop the recording now, and then I will edit this video to make as one full video. Okay, let me stop now.